Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Stalker 2 error code 887A0006 error on Game Pass, and let's get straight into the video. So there is a simple fix for this error code, and all you have to do is go over to settings and then just turn off frame generation. So just go ahead and find frame generation. Should most likely be underneath graphics, and let's just look for frame generation right here, frame generation, and then go ahead and just disable this. You can disable this one as well. Just make sure that they are both disabled, and once you disable them, you should be good to go, and that is it. Another thing you guys can do just to be safe is go over to, or just quit out of Stalker 2, go over to the Game Pass, right click on Stalker 2, hit manage, and then go to files, and then from files click on verify and repair. And this will basically fix any corrupt or missing files. And once you do that, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. You can always go ahead and try giving your PC, you can restart your PC, restart the application. But once you do those two main things, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.